Nina.
Thank you very much, Kate. And with it being the last day of January, we've been looking back at all the weather data we've collected. And overall, it's looking like it was a fairly average month. Looking at things individually, across the United Kingdom, it's been a story of average temperatures overall. Rainfall has been a little bit below average. That's been most significant across Northern Ireland. And in terms of the amount of sunshine, well, that's been really what we would expect for January. But it's all changed through the rest of this week as we approach February, with things turning wet and windy, a little bit milder as well. We're beginning to see the first signs of that today across Scotland and Northern Ireland. We've got all of this cloud out in towards the Atlantic. It's been pushing in towards the northwest. We've been seeing some rain for northwest Scotland, and that will continue through the rest of the afternoon. Northern Ireland staying grey and overcast with a little bit of patchy light rain here. But as we head south through Wales and southwest England, well, here we're into the colder air, but at least there's some sunshine around. And after a very frosty start across southwest England, temperatures recovering up to around 4 degrees. There is slightly more cloud just clinging to the coastline of Kent and Sussex, but already through the afternoon we've been seeing those breaks developing in the cloud, and that will continue for that southeast corner. Blue skies across much of the Midlands, through Lincolnshire and in towards Yorkshire, but slightly more overcast through Cumbria, northwest England, so here temperatures at 3 degrees. Now, we keep the cloud across northern England through this evening and overnight tonight, and that's because we've got this weather front. It's sinking its way south, it's bringing with it its rain, and some of that rain could be quite heavy for a time. Ahead of it, it stays dry, a slight frost, not as cold as recent nights, but we could get -1 degrees. Behind it, we've got our milder air, so 5 to 6 Celsius. As we go through Tuesday's weather then, we've got the cloud sinking its way south. I think the rain will tend to peter out. Following on behind that, skies brighten, we'll see a bit of sunshine, but we will need to cater for a few showers across northwest Scotland, and some of those could turn out to be wintry. And for all of us tomorrow, we'll see the milder air with temperatures at around 8 or 9 degrees. However, as we look towards Wednesday's weather, we're back to low pressures, bringing wet and windy weather, especially across the northwest. I think the southeast corner should stay dry for much of daylight hours, and we're looking at temperatures to 8 to 9 Celsius. So you can see things are turning milder as we go through the week, but we will have that rain with us. A bit of a respite from the rain, though, as we look towards Thursday. We've got a slight ridge of high pressure, bringing with it some dry, settled conditions with a bit of sunshine around. But make the most of it, because there is more rain to come through Friday and into the weekend.
OK, thank you very much, Nina. Thank you.